It's Christina with Anointed by Abba. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm coming to you today to bring you a non-toxic solution for fabric softener. If you're like me, you might be looking for ways to reduce toxins around your house. So first I would just like to tell on myself a little bit here. I have not cleaned up after Christmas. I know I can't be the only one, am I? If you have put away your Christmas decorations and you're all done and you're fabulous like that, then go ahead and give me a number 1. If you haven't done that yet and you're with me, please put a 2 in the comments. Today I cannot see any comments or who's joining me, so I'm just going to be going with it, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have after the video. It's my second video, and I'm kind of freaking out, but we're going to get through it. And I'm going to show you how you can get through it too. You just keep going. So I thought about this video just a little bit because I didn't want to just give a recipe. I never want to just give you a recipe. I always want to give you a little more than that. And over the holiday, I was blessed to spend time with my dad. And my dad shared with me when I was getting rid of some batteries that you can't just throw them in the garbage, and I didn't know that. Did you know that? That was the first I've ever heard of it. So apparently there are toxic chemicals in batteries that will leak into the groundwater and whatnot. And I have been educated that Home Depot actually will accept your batteries. So I just started to save my batteries, and I am shocked that this is what I used over the Christmas holiday, just with my battery operated candles and whatnot, and fun stuff like electric Christmas trees and whatnot. But holy cow, who knew? So I want to pass that along to you. Save your batteries maybe in a Ziploc, maybe in your sink, under your sink in your laundry room. I'm not nervous, not at all. So yeah, do that and then deliver them to Home Depot, or you might have to Google for whatever accepts them in your area. But I'm becoming more responsible, and I would like to help you become more responsible too. Okay, so today what we're doing is a DIY fabric softener, and it's a non-toxic deal here. So I am sure I'm not the only one that has a Young Living conditioner for their hair that is like at the end, but there's like some left in the bottom. So what I learned is that you can fill your bottle up, and you're just going to kind of wash off what's left and what's stuck to the sides. Oh, I am hooked up, I guess. I can see a thumbs up. Thank you, thumbs upper. I love that. Okay, so I just washed off whatever was stuck to the sides of, this is the Young Living Lavender Conditioner. And I'm going to put this into my, it's called a Ninja. So I'm just going to add that along with a half cup of Epsom salt. And then I'm just gonna whiz this together. Could you see how much was spilling? See, I thought nobody could see that. I'm like, just keep going, girl, keep going. Okay, here comes the loud part. I swear it's coming. Okay, so this is foamy. you might want to just let it settle a little bit. And then I'm just going to repurpose a Thieves dishwashing liquid bottle with my blended up leftover conditioner and Epsom salt. And today I'm really craving Thieves cleaner. Not just like Thieves, but the Thieves cleaner. And I'm gonna add, do you ever feel like that? Like you wish you could smell the Thieves cleaner? So I'm adding a capful, and then I'm just gonna top it off with water. Oops. Just keep going, girl. Well, somewhere around here I have a lid, but you don't care because we made non-toxic DIY fabric softener. I have tried this out. I do think it works really well. In this particular recipe, I would go ahead and add, I'm kind of an oil hog, so I would add like 20 drops of Thieves. If I were to do lavender, I would probably do 25 drops. This is a 12-ounce bottle of, it's empty, of the Thieves dishwashing liquid. So that's why I would add so much of the essential oil. But, okay, so I see a few comments. Thank you for the real life, loving real life. Thanks, Carla. And Gina, thank you very much. And Joanne. Love you, Joanne. Thank you all so much for watching. I will go ahead and write down the recipe and put it in the comments. Let's see, how much do you use per load? That's a great question. I use a Downy ball, so I think that's about a cup. And I think that's a pretty smart guesstimate. What would I use instead of conditioner? I would use my empty lotion, if you have a Young Living lotion. Can I just tell y'all, I was at an assembly today where there was, you know, awards and stuff given out, and there was a sweet little baby that was, his mommy was trying to keep him quiet during the awards, and she gave him a Bath and Body lotion to gnaw on, and I could smell it, and I was just thinking, oh Lord, poor little baby. Anywho, we don't judge, right? We just learn and we show others that there's better stuff out there. Thank you so much for joining us today.